Hello and welcome to the Titus Timeout podcast. I'm Jenny Abney-Civi, and today I'm going to discuss the different types of perforated diffuser models. So perf diffusers come in several different styles. They all have the same perforated face, but the deflectors are different in the different models. So let's start with the supply diffusers. The PAS has 4 square deflectors in the face that look kind of like this. So that's from the face, and from the side you can see that the deflectors are on the face of the diffuser. The PDS is the same as the PAS, except for it has a drop face which sits 3/8 of an inch below the ceiling. So it looks kind of like this from the top and the side, with the exception that it drops down. Now the PAS and PDS deflectors can be rotated so that you can change the pattern. For instance, you could line them up this way and then the airflow go in 2 directions as opposed to the 4 that it's set up by default. And the same thing in the PDS. Next we have the PSS. The PSS has deflectors in the neck that looks like this. You can rotate the deflector 45 degrees so that you can change the airflow pattern. So instead of coming out the 4 sides, if it's rotated, it'll come out the 4 corners like this. Let me scoot this over some and talk about the PCS. The PCS deflectors look like this. And they are in the neck of the diffuser, so they look like this from the side. And so this diffuser would be set up for a 4-way blow, but you can change to a different deflector pattern and get a 2-way blow. Next we have the PMC. It has 4 deflectors. It looks sort of similar in my drawing to the PAS, but the deflectors are in the neck of the diffuser, not on the face. So the default setup is a 4-way pattern, but you can rotate these 4 deflectors and get different patterns as well. Like this would be set up for a 2-way pattern. Now let me move this out of the way so we can talk about the returns. So for perforated return diffusers, we have the PAR and PDR, which are basically the PAS and PDS without the deflectors, so they would look just like this. You would just look up and see the perforated face. We also have the PXP. The PXP is just the perforated screen without the metal edge. So it just sits in the tile, and then this whole thing would be perforated. So let's bring them all back on so we can look at them. In general, the performance of the supply grills get better as you go from the PAS to the PMC, but then the cost also goes up. So you have to kind of decide between your performance and your cost for your project which one to use. So those are the different perforated diffuser types. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for taking a time out with us.